What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, today is Monday, and just like every single Monday, I'm here to bring you guys your Monday motivation for this week. So the subject of today's video is, why give up now? And today, your inspiration, your motivation for this week is, pain is temporary, quitting lasts forever. That is it. And it is true. I know you guys have heard this multiple times. You guys have heard this in motivational videos. You guys have heard this online. You guys have read it in tweets. You guys have seen it on social media. It's been put in front of your faces so many times, but it really is true. So honestly, this is a real message, and I'm just going to try and dissect it down to you guys today because, you know, the pain really is temporary, and the quitting, the success, all of that does last forever. But I don't want to come out here and start shouting to you guys, going crazy on the mic, you know, like you guys are probably used to seeing on motivational videos when people do talk about this quote. You know, yes, you will have to sweat hard. Yes, you will have blood, tears, all of that kind of stuff. But like I explained, we're going to dive into that quote and explain, you know, why I'm saying this today, why I'm saying this week, and why I do think you guys should take it into consideration. But before we jump into all that, make sure you guys drop that thumbs up because it not only helps me understand what kind of videos you guys do like to see, even though I do know you guys do love the Monday motivations, but it also helps with YouTube algorithm, just getting this video out to more people. Also, if you guys share these videos with more people, then yeah, it's going to get across more people's eyes, so please do that. Add to that, if you're new around here, hit that red button below and also hit the notification bell. These are all things, small things that help. You know, I'm not even home right now, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. It's like a bonus to you guys. But you guys are here to hear about why you shouldn't give up, why you shouldn't quit, you know, the pain and all that kind of stuff. Let's talk about that. Honestly, you think about it. All those things you want to accomplish, all the things you want to achieve, they're not going to come easy. We all know that. No matter what you do. Whether that's studying, you know, at university, whether that's creating YouTube videos, whether that's managing your money, whether that's, you know, just making decisions which are going to be better for you and better for your future. They are not easy. You know, those are painful decisions. You know, it doesn't always have to be physical pain. It can be a mental pain. It can be a tiredness. It can be a quitting feeling. It can be doubt. It can be so many different things. But all of that is pain and all of that is temporary. Now you think about the fact that once you get past the pain, you overcome the obstacles, you get past your fears, you get past whatever's holding you back, and you reach your destination, your desired goal. That is your feeling of success. That's when you're like, you know what? All those long nights, all those hard times, all those difficult situations, they were worth it because you finally got to where you desired to be. And again, I want to remind you, those pains, they last for, you know, minutes, hours, days, you know, maybe a few years. But those successes, the pride, the glory, the happiness, the great feeling, the winning feeling, all of those last forever. It doesn't matter what happens afterwards, but you know you reached where you desired to be. You know you accomplished something. And that feeling, that greatness, those moments, they last forever. That is why I'm telling you guys again, pain is temporary. Whatever form of pain it may come in is temporary. And while the success, the glory, the pride, all the positive things I mentioned are forever, so is the quitting. You quit, you leave it off, you leave it behind, you think to yourself, you know what, I could have given more. I should have done better. I should have tried more. I should have put in more effort, more hours, more dedication. And that's the worst feeling. You know, I'm sure you guys have felt that before for different things, whatever it may be. You know, I felt it, and I'm sure you guys have felt it. It's a horrible feeling. It's like, you know, I tried for something, I worked hard for something, but I didn't work hard enough. I didn't give it everything I had. You know, I didn't leave it all out there. And when you feel that, that feeling lasts forever. But like I said, on the other hand, when you make it there, when you try so hard for something, whether that's a, you know, weight loss goal, whether that's a fitness goal, whether that's getting certain grades, when you get to those points, when you reach those targets, you're like, you know what? This feeling is going to last forever. You know, I accomplished this. No one can ever take this away from me now. I've done it, I made it happen, I made it work, and I'm proud of myself. That feeling lasts forever. You know, it doesn't matter what will happen after if you lose it all. But the fact that you got to the original goal, the fact that you achieved what you set out to do, that feeling cannot be replaced and it's there forever. So I'm telling you guys this week, whatever you may be going out to do, if you're going into a job today that you do not like and you know you're working on your own side business or your own side hustle, you know, in the evening, keep working at it, keep hacking at it. Why give up now? You come this far, not just to be here and quit. You come this far so you can remain on top. You come this far so you can get it to the top. You came from the bottom, it's time to get to the top. You didn't come from the bottom, it's still time to get to the top. Everybody has what they set out to do. Well, at least everybody on this channel should know what they're setting out to do. You might not always know where you want to be 5 years, 10 years from now, but you know you're going into each day with a desired goal. You know, even though if there's small daily tasks you need to accomplish, you know you're going into each week with stuff you want to get done. So what that means is, I don't care what you guys are doing this week. I'm here to motivate you guys, so I'm telling you guys, why quit now? Why give up now? You know, I set out goals for this year. You know, there are some things I really want to accomplish this year. And when I look back now, I did a lot, I did what I could do. But does it mean that because I'm not there yet, I should give up now? With 2 weeks, you know, 2.5 weeks left of the year? Not at all. For those of you who set out to lose £10 this year and you've only lost £7, or you've not even lost any pounds, should you quit now? Should you give up now? No, that's part of finishing the year strong. That's part of giving it your all. So go out this week, Give it your all. Put in the time, put in the effort. Work hard, make it happen. Work hard, do all you can to make it happen. You know, like last week I talked about being aggressive. Maybe it's time to reiterate some of that aggressiveness this week. You know, maybe it's not, I don't know, it depends what you want to do. But you gotta make sure that you don't give up, you don't quit now. The pride, the glory, the happiness, the success, they're all gonna last a lifetime. And you know what's better, guys? Even if you don't get all those feelings, if you don't get that pride, that glory, that feeling of success, at least you put in the effort, at least you left it all out there. At least you can tell yourself, you know what, I gave it my best. At least if someone comes to challenge you, you can tell them, you know what, I may not have got to my goal. I may not have reached my destination, but I left it all out there. I did my absolute best. I know in my heart that I did whatever was in my power to make it happen. It didn't quite work out, but it doesn't matter because I gave it all. On the other hand, you decide to quit, you decide to sack it off and say, you know what, forget it. Where is that going to leave you? Also mentally, you know, for your mentality, does that really, you know, make you feel good that you just decide to quit? I know it's not always easy. I know you're going to struggle sometimes. But what is the point of just quitting and leaving it off, you know? At least finish the year strong. At least leave it all out there for the end of this year. Maybe, you know, when January comes around, you start thinking, you know what, I'm going to change my goals. I'm going to change what I want to do. Sure. But, you know, leave it all out there for now. Just give it everything. Just like I said, don't forget that when you're trying to accomplish things, you may not always reach them. But the fact that you give it your best shot, you'll learn more about yourself. The fact that you do everything might lead you into a different path, an even better path. A lot of the time, we come across things, we stumble across things because we were trying to get somewhere else. And in those cases, you end up at even better places, places you could never have dreamed of. So I'm saying again, pain is temporary. The pain will last a few days. It will be there for a few minutes. Just like, you know, when you go to the gym or when you go out for a run, when you do physical exercise, you feel that pain. But that pain you feel in those moments doesn't last forever. You go to the gym, you know, for the first time, you get that muscle ache, you get soreness the next day. It won't last until next month. You know, you go out to run 10 miles, first time in 2 years, you might, you know, have cramp, you might have your legs burning the next day, you might not be able to move, but still, it doesn't mean that 1 week later, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, you're going to feel that same pain. But you will get fitter the more you do it. You will get stronger the more you lift. You will get healthier the more you eat good food, get the right nutrients in your body. It's all the same concept. The pain is temporary, the suffering is temporary, the hurt, the unfortune, all of that is temporary. Those obstacles come and go. But the happiness, the glory, the success, the pride, the achievement, all stays there, all remains throughout your career, throughout your life, throughout whatever you do for the next 3 years, next 5 years, next 10 years, next 500 years. It doesn't matter. All those achievements stay. They can't be taken away from you. So again, remember that all those great feelings will take the place of all those bad feelings, those unhappy feelings, those negative thoughts, those negative feelings. All the greatness, all the amazing things that you do will take the place of those. And those pains, those unfortunate events, that unhappiness, it will all subside for all the things you wanted, for all the things you aimed for all the things you tried to do, for all the things you put all your heart into. That is it for today. That is all I can say. So I really hope you guys do take this message into consideration. You do use this to motivate you for this week. I'd like to know in the comment section if you are motivated. You know, let me know your thoughts, let me know your comments, let me know all of that. As always, make sure you guys drop that thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Again, give it everything this week. Make sure you guys hit the red button if you're new around here. Show me you appreciate the video. Drop me a comment telling me if you're new around here and all that kind of stuff. Make sure you guys hit the bell as well. Lastly, but most importantly, make sure to share these videos. Just get them out. Keep moving them. We'll keep growing. Also, there will be a new vlog coming soon, so make sure you guys check that one out. Do not forget to check that one out. You guys know the deal. Also, make sure you guys check out Time Your Watches. Link in the description below. As well as a load of other things. Again, just check those links in the description. Thanks for watching the video. That's from me. I got to be chasing. See you guys next time for another video.